Google now let you create AI video for TV using their powerful Visual AI Studio. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to use it and start making your own blog with simple text prompts. First, go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Then go to the first link and sign in with your Gmail account. After that, click on Generate Media. Then select Veo. And here is the video generation dashboard. As you can see, here is some settings. Veo 2. This is the only version available right now. The number of result we can create from our prompt. Aspect ratio 16:9, 9:16. For TikTok and Shorts or Reel. Video duration, you can set 5 to 8 seconds. Frame rate, we cannot change this. Resolution, we cannot change this. And we can use negative prompt here. Now let's try a prompt. Let's generate something cool. Type in the prompt, for example, Hansel and Gretel walking into a dark enchanted forest, glowing mushroom, fantasy 3D animation. Then hit run. You will see a message that your prompt is in the queue. Be patient. Even though it's a free service, the speed is impressive. Often it takes less than a minute to complete. And there it is. Our generated video appears right below. Click play to preview it. Take a look at the scene. It perfectly brings the fairy tale to life. We see Hansel and Gretel running in the enchanted forest. The writing is moody and mysterious, setting the exact tone you'd expect from a fantasy setting. Now you can download it from your device, or you can also export it into Google Drive. Click on this and link your Google account. Files uploaded successfully in the Google Drive. And what you can also do is you can turn on this option, auto save. This will automatically save your video to Google Drive. It only keeps on file at a time, so make sure you have download the file before it replaces the generated video. Please remember, the crew is available with limited free generation per day for testing. As you can see here, failed to generate video, quota exceeded. So you can make 3 to 4 video at a time. After that, you have to change your Gmail to go ahead. So that's it, guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like, and thanks for watching.